Alright, my viewers and subscribers are good night. Me have one little burning issue, you know. But my burning issue is, when I think it's funny how the plane from Cayman come to Jamaica and them not have no permit for land and the people them a plan to come without. Nobody know about the government, know about it. Something not right. Me don't know if you know I think like how me I think, you know, but something kind of look fishy to me. The people them want to deliver the things them to the people them themselves. Miss boy, me feel a way people them crash and dead, my father and his daughter. And the fact that them did a come to Jamaica without nobody even know. Me mean like the authorities them, they never know. Something not right, something not add up. The people them a come without permit for land at Jamaica. Because they want people them want to make sure say the supplies them get to the people them, because them know say if they not get to the people them themselves, half fight now go to the people them. So them not want the people, the big heads them for know say them a go down there. Something not right, you know. Something not right. But you know, they go and watch and see what I want still. But the plane there, the crash now add up to me. Something fishy about it. Something not right, but I think they never want them know. Because the people they really need and the people them really need aid. And the way a politician them a drag their foot, the government a dragging foot. It take the people them from worldwide, the entertainers them, the TikToker them, the YouTuber them, and them a push out for people them, you know, and them a come to the people they aid. Because the bigger heads them not care about the people and bigger heads them no business. Them a try put all kind of measures in place first. But you put measures in place, the people then dead. But me I'm go sorry say the plane crash and the people they not get forget the help what they really deserve. I'm really my sincere condolences go out to the people them were dead after the plane crash. Family. My heart goes out to them. I really feel it for them. Say them really are trying to help out Jamaicans and them lose their life. But the people they don't want nobody know what them a do. Because the people they suspect say the people they not get the help what them deserve. And it really sad to see people are trying to come to Jamaica and I fear hide. Fear hide to go help the people them. Jamaicans, politicians, government, we no need to do better still, you know. We no make things look away upon Jamaica. Yeah man, you know, look good. It don't look good. We no need to do better. This look away. This look away. You know? But if we watch and see what going on Jamaican people, if we watch and see what's really happening on our little island of Jamaica. Eh? But something alright.